Fix Google Photos keep stopping. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In the following video, I will guide you to fix Google Photos keep stopping on Android. Now the best option of doing is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi and data and it also keeps on stopping like this, then you just need to make sure to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds here, you'll be able to fix the network settings and also helps to fix the error of photo keep stopping. The second thing which you can do is that you just need to open Play Store or App Store on your device, and after that you just need to search for Google Photos. So after searching the Google Photos, you just need to open the Google Photos and see if there is any update available for the app. And if there is any update available for the app, then you just need to update the app to the latest version available and you'll be able to fix the issue like this. And the most important thing which you need to do is that make sure that you restart the device. So you just need to restart the device and see Google Photo is working or not. So by doing all of it, you will be able to fix the Google Photos keeps on stopping on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.